Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free contact form using Jotforms. So let me go here and type Jotform. So now you can go here and open the website jotform.com. Now you can easily create your account by signing up with Google account. So you can go here and after that let me select one of my email account. And you can use hundreds of pre-built templates that are professionally designed to create your contact form for free. So you can go here and here you can see you will get couple of options. You can create a table, you can also add a workflow. So let me go here and select the form, and now you can use multiple options. For example, you can use 10,000 plus pre-built templates for the forms. So just go here, and if you want to design the form from start, then you can use this option. So I want to use this option, pre-built templates. Then you can select the form type from here, contact form, booking form, and here you can see currently 393. So these are the contact form templates. You can select these, and now you can go here, then select one of the template. For example, let me go here and select this one. And now you can customize this template. On the top here you can see form name. You can add any of these. For example, let me add contact form, and you can add your logo file. Then scroll down, you can also change this text. For example, let me add here user information, then name field. You can go on settings, then you can select an alignment. You can add and change the field label. Scroll down, so these are the sub labels, first name and last name. Then you can go in options. You can also enable middle name. Here you can see this one. Then go to advanced, and after that scroll down. If you want to delete any of the field, then you can simply go here and remove. For example, I want to delete this one. Then scroll down, and after that click here on the properties. You can change the button text, for example send, and then you can select the button style. After that you can preview your form, then go to next step, settings. You can add emails. You can go here and edit your email. Here you can see this one. After that click on publish button, and you can share the form link with anyone that you want. So this one is the link, and after that here you can see this one is public form. You can also make the form private. So in this way you can easily create a contact form for free. If you want to add this form in your website, then you can use this one, embed, and simply you can copy this one. For the WordPress, you can copy this code and add this form in your WordPress website.